Good afternoon guys. Guys, magluluto tayo ng chicken afritada. Ito yung chicken niya guys. Tapos yung ricado sige guys. Carrots, potato, dilaw na bell pepper, green bell pepper, bawang, sibuyas, green peas. Lagyan natin ng tomato paste yan guys. At kakaunting black pepper. See you guys. Guys, ito na yung chicken afritada natin guys. Binibisa ko muna guys. Bawang, sibuyas, saka yan pa na yung carrots, saka potato. Fresh and tasty yung niluto natin guys na chicken afritada. Yan guys oh. Luto na, nakakaluto lang yan guys. Chicken afritada in my own version. Yan guys oh. Yung ano niya guys, ricados, yan lagyan ko ng potato, carrots, bell pepper, dilaw, at saka yung green. At saka nilagyan ko ng green peas yan guys. Yan, tomato paste. Yan guys, chicken afritada. Sarap sa punan to guys. See you guys sa kainan.